you are literally about to shit a brick because look at this, I got a new half snap on as well. Anyway, you're gonna shit a brick because I have put some effort in this. Even though I'm just selling it, I've put some effort into this. And today I'm so happy because I found a full can of Wrinkle Plus. I thought I had to buy a can, but I don't because I found a full one. So, you ready? You ready for this? Look at that.
Oh, look at that. That's nice and shiny.
Look at that right there.
Oh, would you look at that?
Look at that gearbox.
Yeah, look at that. Look at that.
Get from behind
look at that.
You can't do it.
Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Ooh, shit. That is one nice looking gearbox. That is one nice looking inlet. Some nice looking pulleys. Oh. So, this is going. I don't really want to sell it with this because it looks a bit odd, especially when you put the IV Tech thing back over here and the original cam cover. It all looks a bit odd. So we're going back to the original Wrinkle Red with the spare rocker cover that I have over there. If you notice then, I am missing an intake pipe. I was going to try and get a standard one, but then it kind of covered all my hard work of painting this gearbox. So, I've still got to remove this. That's still got to come off. And then clip it all back together and we should be good to go. But I can do that at a later date. This is my intake. So this is as far as I got the other day. So, I stone chipped it. It left loads of horrible marks because I dropped it in shit. So, I'm just going to cover it in this. Kaboosh. Yeah. Nice easily wrapped pipe. There's a little dent in top of the pipe, but it don't matter. It's gonna sit right there. Big gold pipe. Should have left it black. I should have left it black. I'm just gonna bodge this pipe on now. Put the air filter on. Get the wheels on. Bolt the headlights up, get the bumper on, and then I don't need a dash doing yet, but I might just screw all the dash together, but I'm missing the vents because I give them Jesse and I should have kept them booked. And then it's going getting tracking done tomorrow, hopefully. Well, they said they might have room tomorrow, so hopefully tomorrow I should have tracking done. So, I'm just gonna bodge this on, I'll be back in a minute. Woo! So, haha, everything is done. Look at that jazzer. So obviously the interior is not finished. Still got to get some vents. Steering wheel needs swapping. But other than that, everything is done apart from obviously red rocker cover. That's hot. I haven't just thrown a car together to sell it, to be like, fuck the guy, whoever's gonna buy it, sort of thing. I left the poly bush wishbones on because they're a ball ache to get out and they're a ball ache to change, and the only other ones I had were knackered, so I just left them in for what they cost. They're in. Obviously, I've cleaned all the bay, cleaned all the gearbox. I've sorted the air filter out. It's got a K&N on it, just clean K&N, not a brand new one. Obviously, it's gonna have a nice clean rocker cover on it. It's going to have all the IV Tech stuff original. It's just going to be original apart from that. I've even put a nice little cold air feed in from there. I don't think you'll be able to see it through there, but there it is, right next to the wheel. I've still got full mud guards to put on, because I've got them up there somewhere, up on that thing. So I'll have full mud guards on, full facelift front end. All this front end's going to get resprayed. Johnny's going to do it for me. So the front end's getting redone, passenger wing's getting done, and a bit on the side and a bit on the other side. So really it'll be a nice car. And obviously it'll have standard wheels on that I will refurb, and I'll probably spray black, or I might just go straight silver, standard silver, and obviously original seat backing. But other than that, it's great. Like I said, brand new rad, new timing chain, new tensioner, all genuine Honda stuff, new guides, genuine Honda, oil, water, coolant, alternator, stuff like that, everything's. So it's all mint, apart from the residue of the fire that I forgot to clean. So that is forever a memory, whoever owns it, that it was 400 odd brake horse and it did set on fire. So Johnny's giving me a bonnet as well to put on. He's sprayed the bonnet up, he's bringing it tomorrow. I'm just going to throw my bonnet on for the time being, click it in, and that's it. Take it out tomorrow and have a quick bash.
What's that rhythm? What's that sound? Party people getting down. When they hit, don't start it back. Just bring it. Keep it moving. We keep it moving. Keep it moving. And keep it moving. Keep it moving.
Oh, fuck you. Oh my God. Yes, you are.
Halfway there.
Yeah, start fining. Doing final ones now.
Just gonna go around and dent the rest of the car, so he has to do the whole car and it'll be smooth. Sorry, well Johnny's cracking on with that. I've just been getting my car sorted. Just done a quick wrinkle. I fucking hate wrinkle paint. There we are. Quick wrinkle, not the best job, but it looks fucking alright. You just have to fucking wrinkles a bit of love and hate. Love and hate. Sometimes it looks alright and sometimes it just looks gash, so we just have to, once it's on the car and it's got the covers on, it'll look right. Keep it baking. And then obviously with the red cover, it's just gonna look fucking dope. It's just gonna look nice factory. I know that big gold pipe's there, but it's because I fucked up painting it. So been driving it today and it's right. Gearbox is fucking sweet, proper sweet. No crunches, no fucking around with anything. It's just a really, really nice gearbox. I'll just wind these rubbers in here. It's doing me head in. I'll probably debadge it all because Johnny's gonna go round it and just give everything a nice touch up. Obviously all the little bits of shit paint everywhere, he's just gonna give it a nice touch up so it looks fucking sound. And obviously give the bumper a re-lacquer or repaint and he'll be ready to sell them. So, laughing. If you want Johnny to do some bits for you, then, so that's his website, dent99.co.uk. Body repairs, little smart repairs, alloy wheels. He loves doing alloy wheels. Diamond cut especially, loves it. So, and his prices start from £40. How old is that? Is that an old sticker? Yeah, nothing in life starts at 40 quid anymore. Even happy endings are more than 40 quid. Jeez. If you're around Manchester, I'd say within like a 20-mile radius around, up to Preston, down to Stoke, something like that, give him a shout. I'll give you a quote. And he grafts, he fucking grafts. He's been grafting all day. I've been moseying about, not doing much, and Johnny's been grafting. So anyway, we'll be back next week when I've sold the Civic, hopefully, fingers crossed.